Hey, welcome. We are now going to build an inset shelf. So for your shampoos and your soaps, and it's just an awesome thing to have. So you pick a wall, whatever wall you want to do. Now, I generally don't like to have inset shelves on an exterior wall. There's a few reasons for it. The main one is all your insulation is on your exterior wall and it needs to be well insulated. So if you cut out a section of insulation and then put this shelf in there, now basically there's an air gap where that's where all the moisture is going to happen and it's going to accumulate because the hot and the cold are going to hit and you won't even see it, but it'll be inside the wall. You'll have problems. Now, that being said, I have done it before, and what you do then is you use spray foam insulation. So you would build your inset shelf, and we'll be showing you how to do that, or you can buy it prefabricated, whichever works. And you would spray the back side of the inset shelf and put it into the exterior wall. So that means any of the air gap now is filled with an insulation R value because it expands and fills the voids. But overall, I try to avoid it when possible. So in this particular bathroom, I have decided to actually put it right here. This is pretty much the only spot now, because if you look here, you have a pipe, not a great place to put it. Exterior wall all back here, and then over here you have an electrical box, pipes, wires. It would have been doable here. From the looks, it just seemed like it would be a better fit here. It's a little lower because there the electrical box is up higher, so this is a nicer space to grab it because you don't want it so that little kids are having to reach really high up, and guys like me, it's a perfect size. So where you put it is up to you, but in the end, just want to think about the whole process. Where does it work best? Do you need a double shelf, a single shelf, all that stuff? You need wide, tall. Everybody will be different. I've had some customers wanting it one space really super high because of the pump. So you need to figure out what kind of bottles you use. And then some have it the other shelf yay high because of their body soaps. So pick out what works best for you.